Just to let you know, my name is Twig. Yeah, I'm called Twig. That's my name. Hello there. This is my life. In summer, it's hot and boiling. It gets me bothered. I can also go up and down and round and round. It's pretty fun, to be honest. But because it's summer, it starts to get colder in winter, and that's the season after summer. And then after that's winter, and I'll be frozen. I need to warm up by moving from side to side so I don't get cold. I need to warm up by moving from side to side so I don't get cold. Now the last step in autumn for me is to find food. I wonder what it could be. Oh yes, there's an apple at the very tippy top. Very tippy, right at the top. There's a cherry. And the apple is so juicy. That's where my apple is. Actually, I don't want it now. I'll have it later. Now it's winter. It's freezing cold. I usually sit on that house back there so I can stay warm. You may not be able to tell, but I am absolutely freezing. I feel like I'm an iceberg. Now I can stay warm on this house. There's usually a fire in it, so I can usually feel the smoke. So I can be hot sometimes. And I also move around a lot. Icebergs! Yippee! Tomorrow's spring! And then I'll be hot! And then I'll go all over again. But next time I'll be ready for the cold weather. Now it's spring, I can relax and hear the other birds sing. Ah! Ah! Oh look, I just heard a crow. I think it was a baby one. I couldn't hear what it was saying. Ah! Ah! Oh, that time I heard it. It says, please like and subscribe. I think you should do that. Bye!